Mark II version unboxing. All the things stated in it. That's the packaging. So this is the basket for the briquette maker. Multimate Mark II. I don't know what they call this. It's like a tamper for taking the bricks out. Briquette maker. Legs. Put it this way. Basket fits in like that. Do that to the side a minute. At the scraper that goes in one of the legs. Right. Unscrew all of these just now. I'm just going to hand tighten these for this demo. That's probably as far as I'm going to go, and just put the other legs on the back, and then it stands in the position. Leg just fell out. That's pretty much it. I'll just show you how this tamper would work. You put all your paper pulp or horse manure or anything that you're wanting to make into a brick, and then close the machine down, compress the brick, and then the brick will be stuck in here. And the handle just push down to release it. Closer look at the machine. You've got a gauze there to let the liquid flow out, and it goes through here and down into this V. And that V can then be guided into a bucket below the machine. Nice rubber handle. I'm still trying to work out what they do to this handle. I can't bend the handle. I really abuse the machine. It's over a year old now, and still there's obviously rust and paint wear on it, but there's nothing failed on it. There we go.